Ever wondered just how big the world of beauty, fitness, and wellness truly is? And more specifically, how many businesses are actually thriving within that ecosystem, powered by a platform like Vagaro? If you've ever booked a massage online, scheduled a spin class, or gotten a fresh haircut through an app, chances are you've brushed shoulders with a business using Vagaro. But the question remains, what's the actual scale of their reach? It's a question that goes beyond mere numbers. It speaks to the ubiquity of technology in our daily lives, how even the most personal and hands-on services are being streamlined and optimized by powerful software. Think about it. A few decades ago, scheduling a haircut involved a phone call and a physical appointment book. Now, with a few taps on your phone, you can find a local salon, browse their services, see stylist availability, and book your slot, all before you even get out of bed. This transformation isn't just about convenience for us, the consumers. It's a revolution for the businesses themselves. For salon owners, spa managers, fitness instructors, and wellness practitioners, managing appointments, processing payments, handling payroll, and engaging with clients used to be a patchwork of disparate tools and manual efforts. It was time-consuming, prone to error, and often took away from the core business of providing exceptional service. This is where platforms like Vagaro step in. They offer an all-in-one solution, a digital nerve center that simplifies operations, boosts bookings, and ultimately drives growth. But exactly how many businesses have embraced this digital shift and chosen Vagaro as their partner? This isn't just a trivial statistic. It's a testament to the platform's effectiveness, its reliability, and its ability to meet the diverse needs of an incredibly varied industry. From the independent massage therapist working out of a home studio to multi-location fitness franchises, Vagaro aims to cater to a wide spectrum of business sizes and types. Understanding the sheer number of businesses on Vagaro also gives us a glimpse into the broader trends within the beauty, fitness, and wellness sectors. Are more small businesses adopting sophisticated software? Is there a growing demand for online booking and payment options? The answers to these questions are embedded in the usage data of platforms like Vagaro. So let's dive in. What's the latest count? And what does that number tell us about the landscape of these thriving industries? While exact, constantly updating figures can be elusive as companies evolve. Publicly available information and industry reports give us a strong indication. As of recent data, Vagaro is empowering tens of thousands of businesses across the globe. Some reports indicate numbers exceeding 83,000 businesses relying on Vagaro daily. Other sources have cited numbers closer to 50,000 salons and spas specifically, and overall figures of over 1,400 companies utilizing Vagaro for enhanced scheduling, marketing, and point-of-sale operations, with a strong presence in the United States. It's important to note that these numbers can vary slightly depending on the source and the specific criteria being measured, e.g., total businesses versus active businesses, or specific types of businesses like salons and spas. However, the consistent theme is clear. Vagaro has a significant and expanding footprint in the beauty, fitness, and wellness industries. To put this into perspective, consider the sheer diversity within these sectors. You have hair salons and barbershops. From boutique cutting-edge salons to traditional barbershops, all need efficient booking and client management. Spas and wellness centers, offering everything from massages and facials to acupuncture and holistic therapies. These businesses rely heavily on seamless scheduling and payment processing. Fitness studios and gyms, yoga studios, Pilates centers, CrossFit boxes, and large-scale gyms all benefit from class scheduling, membership management, and online booking. Independent practitioners, solo massage therapists, personal trainers, estheticians, and nail technicians who need robust tools to manage their individual clienteles. Vagaro's ability to serve such a broad range of business types speaks to the flexibility and comprehensiveness of its platform. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution, but rather a customizable system that can adapt to the unique workflows and requirements of different businesses. The growth in Vagaro's user base also reflects a larger industry trend: the increasing reliance on technology for operational efficiency and client acquisition. In a competitive market, businesses are constantly looking for ways to stand out, improve the customer experience, and free up time to focus on their craft. Vagaro, by automating many of the administrative burdens, allows business owners to do just that. Furthermore, Vagaro isn't just about internal management. It's also a powerful client-facing tool. Their consumer marketplace, Vagaro.com, and the Vagaro client app allow millions of users to discover and book services with Vagaro-powered businesses. This marketplace acts as a significant lead generation channel for businesses, connecting them with a vast network of potential clients actively seeking beauty, fitness, and wellness services. This dual functionality, empowering businesses with robust tools and connecting them with a large consumer base, is a key driver of their widespread adoption. The sheer volume of appointments booked through Vagaro annually is staggering. For instance, in 2024 alone, over 52 million salon appointments were booked on Vagaro, with women's haircuts taking a significant lead. Spa appointments reached 57 million, showcasing the high demand for wellness services. These numbers underscore the critical role Vagaro plays in facilitating millions of transactions and interactions within these industries. The fact that Vagaro has reached such a substantial number of businesses is a strong indicator of its value proposition. It highlights the platform's reliability, its user-friendly interface, and its continuous evolution to meet the changing needs of the beauty, fitness, and wellness sectors. Businesses are not just signing up. They are actively using and relying on Vagaro for their day-to-day operations and growth strategies. In essence, the number of businesses on Vagaro isn't just a statistic. It's a powerful narrative about the modernization of an entire industry, the increasing adoption of digital solutions, and the ongoing quest for efficiency and enhanced customer experiences. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.